Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, completely close the Instagram app and open it again. Once it opens, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines at the top right. From here, scroll down to Business Tools and Controls under the For Professionals section. If you're using a business or creator account, tap Switch Account Type and change it to a personal account. Personal accounts usually have much larger music libraries when creating stories or reels. Next, tap the three lines again and go to Account Center at the top. Here, tap on Connected Experience. Then tap Sharing Across Profiles. Select Instagram and make sure automatic sharing to Facebook is turned off for Reels, posts, and stories. Having auto sharing enabled can sometimes limit the music options due to licensing restrictions. After that, exit Instagram and open your phone settings. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely. VPNs can hide your real location, and since Instagram Music is region-based, this can prevent certain songs from appearing. Once the VPN is off, reopen Instagram and try creating a story or reel again. You should now see the full music library available. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. So that's all for this video. Thanks.